Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're unboxing and reviewing the latest powerhouse from ASUS, the 2024 Vivobook 17.3-inch laptop in cool silver. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking for a robust and stylish laptop, this could be the perfect choice for you. Let's dive right in. First things first. Let's talk about the packaging. ASUS has always been known for their premium packaging, and this one is no exception. The box is sturdy and the design is sleek, hinting at the quality inside. Inside the box, we have the Vivobook itself, neatly wrapped. Alongside it, we have the power adapter, some documentation, and surprisingly, a few ASUS stickers. Nice touch! Now, let's take a closer look at the laptop. The cool silver finish gives it a modern and professional look. It's slim and lightweight for a 17.3-inch laptop, making it easy to carry around despite its size. Let's go over the hardware. On the left side, we have the power input, an HDMI port, 2 USB 3.2 ports, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. On the right, there's a USB 2.0 port and a microSD card slot. Plenty of connectivity options for all your needs. The keyboard is full-sized with a number pad, which is a plus for those who work with numbers frequently. The keys have a nice travel and are backlit, making it easy to type in low-light conditions. The trackpad is large and responsive, supporting multi-touch gestures. One of the standout features is the fingerprint sensor. It's integrated into the touchpad and provides an extra layer of security, allowing you to log in with just a touch. The 17.3-inch Full HD display is vibrant and crisp, perfect for watching videos, editing photos, or working on detailed tasks. The bezels are thin, giving it a modern look and maximizing screen real estate. For those who need to attend video calls, the HD front camera will do the job just fine. It's clear and handles low light situations reasonably well. Now, let's talk performance. This model comes with an Intel Core i5-120U processor, 16 GB of RAM, and a 1 TB SSD. It's a configuration that's more than capable of handling everyday tasks, from browsing and document editing to more intensive applications like photo editing and light gaming. In our benchmark tests, the Vivobook performed admirably. It scored well in both single-core and multi-core tests, indicating strong performance across the board. Multitasking is a breeze with 16 GB of RAM. You can run multiple applications at once without any noticeable lag or slowdown. The ASUS Vivobook 2024 comes with Windows 11 Home pre-installed. The new operating system is sleek, fast, and packed with new features that enhance productivity and usability. Features like snap layouts make multitasking easier, allowing you to quickly organize open windows. Widgets keep you updated with news, weather, and more right at your fingertips. Battery life is always a crucial factor. The Vivobook 2024 has a decent battery life, lasting up to 8 hours on a single charge with moderate use. This means you can comfortably use it for a full workday without needing to plug in. So, is the ASUS 2024 Vivobook 17.3-inch laptop worth it? If you're looking for a stylish, powerful, and versatile laptop, this model is definitely a strong contender. It offers excellent performance, a beautiful display, and a host of features that make it a great choice for a wide range of users. Thank you for joining us for this unboxing and review. If you found this video helpful, Please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. And hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future reviews. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, happy computing!